From delivering packages to saving lives on the battlefield, drones are no longer science fiction, they're science fact. In today's video, we explore every possible way drones will transform our future. Buckle up, this is going to be a high-flying ride. Let's start with transport. Companies like Amazon and UPS are already testing drone delivery systems, promising to get your package to you in under 30 minutes. In cities, air taxis could soon carry passengers across congested streets in minutes instead of hours. Companies like Joby Aviation and EHang are leading this urban air mobility revolution. Think about rural areas. Drones could provide food, medicine, even clean water to the hardest-to-reach places on Earth. Drones have already changed the face of warfare. They're used for surveillance, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes. But the future? Swarm drones, hundreds of coordinated flying bots, could overwhelm traditional defenses. Countries around the world are investing in AI-powered autonomous combat drones. The future of warfare may not involve soldiers on the ground, but algorithms in the sky. In healthcare, drones are already delivering vaccines and blood to remote regions. Zipline, for example, operates in Africa, delivering life-saving medical supplies in minutes. Some drones are even being designed to respond to 911 calls, bringing defibrillators, EpiPens, or first aid supplies before paramedics can arrive. So, farmers are using drones to scan crops, detect disease, and optimize irrigation, boosting yields while cutting costs. Environmental scientists use drones to monitor endangered species map forests and track illegal deforestation. In the era of climate change, drones will help us monitor, and perhaps even protect, our planet. Entertainment, drones have it covered. From Hollywood aerial shots to massive synchronized light shows, drones are changing how we see the world, literally. Drone racing is becoming a global sport, and with first-person view you can experience the thrill of flight without ever leaving the ground. Daily life is being touched by drones in subtle but powerful ways. Utility companies use them to inspect power lines and wind turbines. Construction companies map terrain and monitor progress. And in disasters, drones help rescue teams find survivors quickly. From above they see what we can't, and that makes them indispensable. What's next? Nano drones the size of bees for indoor surveillance, underwater drones to explore the ocean floor, even drones in space, acting as mobile satellites or repair bots. Drones aren't just flying gadgets, they're the eyes, ears, and hands of the future. From the skies above our cities to the front lines of war and the fields of our farms, drones are here to stay. How do you think drones will impact your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more future tech breakdowns.